Hello, good morning, everyone. Today's topic is management of strain, right? Management of strain. In this, we have very for for the management of strain, the procedure of price is recommended. Price. Earlier we discussed about this price. Price means protection, rest, I, compression, evaluation. P stand for protection, R stand for eyes, R for the rest, stand for eyes, C stand for compression, and E stand for evaluation. Right? This is the main protection. It means to prevent further injury. For example, an injured leg or foot may be protected by partially immobilizing the injured area by using a sling, splint और ब्रेसल. कोई उस चीज़ को जो भी इंजर्ड एरिया हुआ है उसको हम प्रोटेक्ट करें. देन रेस्ट. The is rest is important to allow healing. A person should avoid activity that stress the injured area injured to point the pain of or that may slow or prevent healing. Some movement, however, it is beneficial, gentle pain free range of motion and basic isometric construction of the joint and muscles surrounding on an injury can be done by speedy recovery. Then ICE. ICE. ICE stand for is referred to use the cold treatment, treat accurate injury. ICE is the recommended with the intent to minimize and reduce swelling as well as decrease pain. Through this, through there are many ways to do so, but the most common and most convenient is a simple plastic bag of crushed ice placed over a proper paper towel on the affected area. It is important to protect the skin and limit of the cold exposure to 10 to 15 minutes. Cycle of 10 to 15 minutes continuous ice application. Skin sensitivity or allergy to cold exposure can occur. It may manifest as skin that became bolted, red and rains where the ice contract to skin. In this is experience the ice treatment should be discontinued. आइस ट्रीटमेंट लगाने के लिए जो भी क्रश की हुई आइस है ना उसको हम जो इफेक्टेड एरिया है उस पर लगाएं. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं अगर ज़्यादा आइसिंग करेंगे उसको 10 से 15 मिनट से ज़्यादा आइसिंग करेंगे तो वो कुछ हिस्सा एरिया लाल और नीला पड़ना शुरू हो जाएगा, स्वेलिंग हो जाएगी, तो ये ट्रीटमेंट रोक देना चाहिए. कंप्रेशन. कंप्रेशन होता है उस चीज़ को वहीं पर स्टोर कर देना, टाइट कर देना, बांध देना. इट इज़ the use of firm pad such as an elastic bandage to apply an external force the injured tissue. The compression minimize swelling and provide mild support. It should be applied directly to the skin by starting a few inches below the injury. A medium amount of tension should be applied to provide ample but not too congestive compression. The bandage should not cause numbness tingling or color change of soft tissues. Then next is evaluation. Evaluation is accomplished by pointing by injured area above the level of the heart. If possible position of the injured limb on extra pillow or to sleep the probably most affected. मतलब हाथ को उस चीज़ एरिया को उठा के रखना. अगर हम हाथ को लटका देंगे तो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन ज़्यादा हो जाएगा और वो प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरिया हो जाएगा. द नेक्स्ट इज मैनेजमेंट ऑफ ब्यूरीज. कोल्ड कंप्रेशन फॉर 48 आवर्स, हॉट कंप्रेशन, hot water formation, then stream formation, painkiller injections, painkiller tablets. These are the buries. Management of heart tissues. Again, price is there. There are different type of, thus their cure, the management is also different. Management of bone injury. Again, protection, rest, ice, compression and evaluation. Price. Rehabilitation, general activity, physiotherapist, massage and meditation. General confirmation and practice training, strength, speed, flexibility, endurance and coordination. Measurement scale, special confirmation. This is the bone injuries. Management of stress fracture. Management of stress fracture. First of all, evaluate the externally and rest while bone heal itself. वेट करना होगा हमें अपनी जल्दी उस चीज़ को रिकवरी करने के लिए. अप्लाई आइस ऑन द अफेक्टेड एरिया फॉर 24 to 48 hours. Third is if pain persists, give some painkiller also. The fourth is if there is any need of immobilization of the affected area, use splint. Fifth, after removal of swelling, begin to put partial weight on the affected area. Crutches and walking stick may be used in the beginning. After 2 weeks, start putting normal weight. Then sixth is for 6 to 8 weeks, avoid the activity that cause stress fracture. Then start doing activity slowly. Management of green stick fracture. In case of green stick fracture, immobilization the bone, मतलब उस चीज़ को जो भी हमारी हड्डी वाला हिस्सा होता है उसको हमने इनमोबलाइज करना, मतलब उसको हमने जाम कर देना है. अगर हम उस चीज़ को जाम कर देंगे तो वो हील अप करना शुरू करेगा, जुड़ेगा आपस में. इट इज़ वेरी complex fracture. Immobilization above and below the fracture are should be maintained with the help of plaster and splint. For pain management, painkiller should be given. Infection should be avoided by giving antibiotics. It may take more than few months to restore to its normal condition. After the physiotherapist should be used to treatment completely. Then management of transverse fracture. In this, it is the injury of limited to break of a transverse bone with no other injury. Hospital care is not necessary. Meditation for pain control should be given. Limit or various activity in in tactical and multiple fracture of backbone, then there can be damaged spinal cord and may require operation. There can be a pain, stiffness in the back for some week after transverse fracture. Complete rest should be given to the person. After that, the affected person should not join the activity. Neck and back bristles may be also be helpful to reducing pain and increasing mobility. Exercise should be done to improve motion and strengthen back. Then management of joint. Management of joint injury. rest, there is a different for rest. Rest, R for rest, E for evaluate, S for support, T for tight. इसमें rest आया था. R stand for rest, as you see here. E stand for evaluate, S for support, and T for tight. Then price, protection, rest, ice, compression, and valuation. This is for joint injuries, right? Then management of dislocation of joint. Immediately call the medical help. Never try to move or locate the joint on the own. To keep a control of swelling, apply ice on the discolored area. Use splint or sling to hold the affected area before the arrival of the medical